I'm ready. Susie, this is little Joey. He's been adjusted ever since he was a little bitty baby. He is 6 months old right now. And I'm going to show how we adjust a little kid. So, Joey, hop up on the table. Well, your mom has to help you on the table, right? See how happy he is? And he's always this happy when he comes in. So what we use is this little activator instrument, and it almost feels like you just tap the back of your hand. That's as much pressure as I put on the little infant. And since he has been adjusted ever since he was a little kid, I don't think he's had many problems so far, has he? Maybe might have had one time where he was puking a little bit, but outside of that,
normal.
We can say puke when we're doing with infants.
Say puke.
Right up here in the neck. All right. He laughs at me and his dog. All right, flip over on your back. All right. You gonna smile? Can you smile for us? All right, just sit right behind him. And to me, one of the most important parts in adjusting a child is the upper part of the neck. This is where the brainstem actually comes down. So the brainstem controls all the involuntary action of the entire body. With kids, I also do, I'm gonna let you hold this to his hands, so go elsewhere. He wants to chew on my hands. We do what's called cranial adjusting. It's very, very light touch technique on the cranial bones. The cranial bones will fit together almost like a jigsaw puzzle when they fuse. So if we can get the bones to move ever so slightly now as they're developing, the skull will come together much better. All right, Joey, that is it. Is that a good adjustment?
We say thank you.
Can you say thank you? Can you give a smile to the camera before we go? Let's see if you can sit up. Can you sit up and smile to Susie there?
Yeah, I see.
All right.
Yeah, be good.
Thank you for watching. There'll be other videos for kids as well on our YouTube site.